Hey guys, hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday, you guys. Today's video is going to be a little try on test on some new affordable drugstore makeup. This pretty much everything that we have going on here today is PR packages, except from ColourPop. This was a purchase that I did on my own. But other than that, we're going to be testing out the brand new LA Girl setting sprays. They have shimmer sprays for body and face. We also have here some new Covergirl products, their concealers, their setting powders. And I think that's pretty much it as far as that goes. The only expensive thing that I really used in today's video was the Huda Beauty foundation, which this wasn't new and it isn't new. I've had this for a long time. I just really wanted to use it. So other than that, everything is pretty much a first impressions, a try on. We're going to see if we like the things, if we don't like them. Obviously, as you can see by the look, this is the look that I created using the Orange You Glad palettes by ColourPop. Finally, I got to play with it. So yeah, let's just jump right into this video. Don't forget to subscribe and let's do some makeup. We have a lot of new products, so let's just jump straight onto it. You know what, I'm going to turn off my phone because, yeah, I always get notifications right when I'm filming. So really quickly, even though my eyebrows are filled in, I always go in with a brow gel to set them in place. It's just kind of like a routine in my brow routine. So from CoverGirl, they have these new Easy Breezy brows. They have the shade Deep. They have a clear brow gel, and then they have a light one. This one obviously doesn't suit me, so I am going to put it on a giveaway box. But I just wanted to show you guys how well this actually works, and I am missing a few nails. It is that day to get my nails done again, so don't mind that. And all I'm gonna do is just run it through the brows. This is perfect if you like really dark brows. I personally like them dark, but not like dramatically dark, so this just adds a hint of color to the brows. Just like that. I don't bring it in because I don't want like my entire eyebrows to look like a block, so I do take the clear brow gel and then I just apply it to the front of the brow. Now for the face primer, I actually want to use the new LA Girl setting and shimmer sprays. They hydrate and set makeup and adds a radiant glow. There is 4 of them, which I actually saw them the other day at Ulta. I was like, ooh, I wonder if we're going to get those in PR. So these are it. Again, these are by LA Girl. This one is a setting spray, fix and sets makeup. I love the packaging. This one is the primer spray. It preps and hydrates the skin for makeup application. This one is a shimmer spray, finishing spray for face and body. Shake well before use. This one is probably one that I will end up using. I might mix this one with the setting or the primer spray. And then we also have here the finishing spray for face and body. This is also a shimmer. This one is a rose gold and this one is a gold. So as you can see, quite a bit of a difference. So let's take the primer spray to hydrate the face and also prepare it for foundation. I actually don't have any foundation. I do have this PR package right here from Covergirl, and they did send over another one of their Trueblend matte foundation, but I actually have one that I still haven't used up, so I'm not going to use this one today because yeah, like I said, I have a new one. So I'm just going to use my foundation. I am using today the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation. I haven't used this in a long time, so we're just going to use it today. Let's move on to concealer. The foundation looks really good. I really forget how good this foundation is. It's just a little like thick on the skin. So again, CoverGirl sent over their new concealers. I know that you guys have been asking me to review them, but honestly I was just waiting for me to get them in PR. These are the new CoverGirl Trueblend Undercover Concealer. I have 3 shades: Soft Tan, Golden Amber, and Sand Beige. This one is Sand Beige. Oh, that one looks like it might be for me. Soft tan. Oh, that one looks like it might match me as well. That one has a little bit more peach undertones. And this one is golden amber. Ooh, I don't know, you guys. What do you think? Which one? I don't know. I kind of want to go with golden amber, which is this one. So let's see how this one goes. It might be a little too dark. Like it's pretty close to my actual like skin color. So let's see. You might have to do a little mixing. I'm going to take a little bit of sand beige. Let's blend these babies out and let's see how they do. Oh, wow. Okay, definitely full coverage. I really like how creamy these are and they blend super nicely on the skin. This definitely is giving me a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape vibes as far as like the consistency of the actual concealer. Okay, I actually really like that. That is way good. So let's set that before we crease. I also received the new CoverGirl Trueblend Minerals Loose Mineral Powders. We have two shades. We have Translucent, excuse me, and we have Banana. So let's try them both and see which one we like better. I'm going to take the shade Banana because I feel like this is the shade that I personally will wear the most. Let's try it on the left side. Ooh. That's nice. Oh my god. That is like a little goes a long way. Wow. Now let's try translucent on this side. Oh my god. Seriously guys, a little goes such a long way with these powders, which I love that. Okay, so this side is definitely a little bit lighter because obviously it is the translucent shade. The banana one has, it looks like it's a little more brightening on the skin. So I think the banana one is the one that I'm going to stick with. So I'm just going to set all the places that I applied the concealer as well as the forehead because your girl is wrinkly and I will like cake up in this area. Wow, okay, I really like this powder, you guys. I can see it being a little bit drying if you are more of a dry skin person, but I am oily, so for me, I could get away with baking a little bit longer than like, you know, if I wasn't oily. I'm going to take one of my favorite current bronzers, the Revolution Pro Makeup Bronzer in 02 Warm. Also, this little brush, oh my god, it's probably going to be in my August favorites. I've just been really loving how it applies like the products, the blush, the bronzer. This is by Eco Tools. Can you guys believe I've never tried any Eco Tools products? Like any, have I? No, I don't even think I've tried any of like their little, what are they called? Their little sponges. I don't know. I've always been curious and then I never buy their brushes. Like, how am I supposed to know if I like them if I never try them? There's just something about this brush that it's so nice to just sweep it across the face. They also have, so it's like a little collection from like stones. This is supposed to be, I think, the rose quartz stone. And then they have like a jade and something else. But this one just really caught my attention. Because I am doing an orange look, I'm going to keep everything like peachy. So I'm going to take the Isn't It Peachy little blush from Makeup Obsession, which is my holy grail blush. Oh man, I totally forgot that I had these CoverGirl little primers. This is a hydrating and this is a skin primer with kaolin clay. This is a mattifying one. Damn it, we're gonna have to save that for another video. So now let's try out the new CoverGirl Trueblend Super Stunner Hyper Glow highlighters. I have two. This is in rose quartz and this one is in, where is it? Golden or Gold Glory. I'm going to take this one because these colors just don't really suit my skin tone. So again, adding it to my little giveaway pile. I'm going to take my little Morphe brush and let's dig into this. This looks really pretty, like super goldeny. It does look a little bit glittery, but let's see. Okay, yeah, just as expected, these are intense. So that is it as far as CoverGirl. Those were all the products that I wanted to test out with you guys. So now let's move on to the eyes. I am so excited to finally be able to try the ColourPop Orange You Glad eyeshadow palette, hence the shirt. I had to do it. The first color I'm going to take is Rise and Grind, which is this beautiful, like, it's a little bit of a burnt orange. It's a little bit tangerine. I don't know. It's beautiful. We're going to just stamp that all over the crease. I think I really want to like blow this out. So I'm just going to extend this color all the way out. Go back to the palette and take Sunkissed, which is more of a tangerine. It's actually a little bit lighter than Rise and Grind, and this is what we're going to use to help us blend the color that we just laid down, which is Rise and Grind. To add a little bit more dimension, I'm going to take the shade You Peel Me, which is this one right here. I love the names on these ColourPop. Like, who comes up with these names? I want to work for you because I want to come up with cute names like that. Seriously. I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm actually just going to throw that right in here. Ooh, that is a pretty color. Cute. I like that. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and do a little cut crease action. I'm just going to let you guys watch me because I do this all the time. I'm going to take Squeeze Me, which is this beautiful tangerine shade, and we're just going to apply that all over the lid. I didn't know what other shade to use, so I kind of want to, I was going to go for an all matte shade or an all matte look, but I really want to use the shade Squeeze Me because look at how gorgeous that is. It looks beautiful. So let's just lay this down. And I'm going to go back with You Peel Me, and I'm going to blend the outer edges. This eyeshadow look is, or actually these colors are just absolutely gorgeous. So now I'm going to take the shade Clementine, which is the glittery one. And I think this one says that you're not supposed to be using it like in the eye area, but I'm going to use it. Oh my god, that glitter is absolutely stunning. Also make sure that you use this glitter at your own risk because again, it is technically not intended for the immediate eye area. Just be careful, you guys, because if this stuff gets in your eyes, it can really either harm your eyes or even cut your cornea, which would not be fun. So just beware. I also bought their cream gel eyeliners. This one is in the shade Puppy and this is in the shade Brew Ha. I think I'm going to go in with this one because I just feel like I already have so much orange going on, orange shirt, so let's not overdo it. So yeah, I'm going to take this brown eyeliner and just run it through the lash line. That color is absolutely creamy. I am in love with that color. So now I'm just going to do the same steps that I did on the lid and just apply them on the lower lash line. But first I'm just going to smoke out this brown a little bit. I might have gone a little bit thick on the liner, but I actually like it. For my lashes, I'm using these lashes by Dove in the style Lily. These are like super cute and they're not like overly dramatic. So now for my lips, of course, we're going to line them first using the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Downtown Beauty, and then we're going to use this Morphe Taunt liquid lipstick because it's a little bit peachy. Last but not least is setting spray. So let's go back to LA Girl. This is the Fix and Set Makeup Setting Spray for extended wear. So let's apply this bad boy. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? I absolutely love this look. Love it, living, breathing, dying over it. This eyeshadow palette, if you guys have not gotten your hands on it and you love orange colors, definitely pick it up. Super affordable, and honestly, like, I feel like you can create quite a few different looks. That's what I mean to say. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Let me know what is your favorite product. Honestly, I was not disappointed, not one bit, in like one single thing. Everything from Covergirl to LA Girl to ColourPop, I really enjoyed everything. So thank you guys for hanging out with me. Thank you for joining me and just spending time with me. If you like, go ahead and subscribe now and turn on your little bell notification so you can stay updated with all my future videos. Remember that I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I will see you guys on Friday's video. Mwah!